guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. So this is week 9, episode 2 of Dee Dee's 3 and 15 Don't Freak Out Before Christmas challenge. And I am not doing Christmas, as if you've been watching, you know already. I am just kind of working on whatever journal or project I happen to be working on and using Dee Dee's ideas, you know, within that within that project. So today is another paperclip, and I will tell you that Dee Dee used this punch to create her pieces for this paperclip. I decided not to do that. I'm going to use pieces from a kit by Nikki Adigan at Musings by Nikki. I think this is Autumn. Oh, I'm so sorry, Nikki. I'll link it in the description box below if I remember. If I forget, please let me know. Anyway, these are a couple pieces from her kit. I think it's Autumn. It's Autumn something. I'm sorry. Anyway, and I'm going to use them to make this adorable little paperclip that Dee Dee said, I can't remember who she said. I think Gail has made them. Anyway, it ends up being a hidden little journaling spot and paperclip all in one. So let's go ahead and get started. I thought I would use my scallop punch here to just give this a, you know what? I should do this all at one time. Actually, let's see if I can manage that, or at least 2 at a time. All right, so we've got, all right, let me explain what I have here. So I have a front piece, I have a back piece, right? So that both sides are decorative. And then I have a third piece that will be used to cover up the paperclip on the inside. Okay, so what I'm doing now is just punching the front and the back piece with my scallop punch. Oh, I guess I'm doing scallop. I was gonna do ticket stub. I don't know what I was thinking. It's fine. It doesn't matter. This will work. Best laid plans, right? All right. So you can just do these, you know, you could leave them rectangle. You could do whatever you want, really. I thought it might be pretty to do it this way. So then I'm going to do the same thing to this piece so that it is, you know, I don't have to cut anything. All right, that is all we need that for. All right, next, I'm trying to remember what order I need to do this in. I guess I should have, yeah, that's okay. We can cut that down. All right, we're not gonna worry about that right now. I'm gonna go ahead and ink while I try to remember how I'm supposed to put this together. So I hope you're all having a good day. This is a really cute idea. Whoever was the first one to come up with it. Fabulous idea. Very clever. Yeah, and make sure you go and check out Dee Dee's video as well. And she has a playlist of everybody who is taking part in this challenge, which is nice. So you can check out everybody. But I will link to Dee Dee's playlist in the description box. And then you can go from there. All right, Nikki, I'm so sorry that I forgot the name of this kit. My brain. I could blame the muscle relaxers and, you know, everything, but honestly, I think it's just, at this point, I think it's just me. All right. So I think the first thing we're supposed to do is attach our paper clip. I think that's what we do first. So that's what I'm gonna do. I hope this works out. Yeah, let me ink around this just in case it shows. I'm like the queen of ink today, aren't I? All right, just in case, you know, I didn't cut it right or whatever. All right, so paperclip. I'm going to, this is gonna be my back piece, okay? And this is gonna be a side paperclip. So I am going to attach my paperclip this way, right? So my little side, or my little piece of the paperclip is on the inside, all right? And then I'm gonna glue this on here to cover up that paperclip and hold it in place. So let's use our fabric glue for this. So I said in episode 1 this week that I skipped a bunch of weeks because Dee Dee was making beautiful ephemera for her bases that she had made in weeks 1 through 4, and I no longer have any of those bases for various reasons that I explained earlier. So, you know, that wasn't going to work for me. So I kind of skipped those weeks, and now we're on to week 9. So, all right, let's the best I can try and line this out without making too much of a mess, hopefully. I can't decide. I really like the oxides. However, they end up all over me, and I don't know what I'm doing wrong. They just stay wet longer? Is that a thing? I don't know. I might be crazy. I just feel like they're messier, but I like how they look. So yeah, I'm torn. I'm always like, ooh, I'm going to use the oxide this time for this project. And then I'm, you know, in the middle of the project and I'm like, I have ink everywhere. So I'm not sure. So this project might be like a combination of oxide and ink. I have walnut stain in both. So yeah, anyway, I'm rambling. Okay, so that's done. So that's our back. And, you know, that will be where our paper clip is. Now, we need to cut this, and I'm going to try to do it all at once. And I'm going to cut it, well, I guess it doesn't really matter because it's kind of hidden. So let me do this so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to try and do it all together so that, you know, my pieces are all, you know what, it might be easier if I put it paperclip side up. That might work better. Let me move this forward so you can see. I can't remember how much Dee Dee said to cut. I don't think it really matters. So I'm gonna just line this edge up with my 2 3/4 inch side or measurement. And then hopefully, say a prayer, this will go through cleanly. I think it did. Woo! All right, good. Okay, so now get rid of that. This will all make sense in a minute. All right, so what we're gonna do is, this is all glued down, right? I'm gonna ink this. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna ink it. I am ink crazy today. You don't have to, for sure. It doesn't have to be inked. All right, now we have 2 pieces here. This piece is going to be like a little pocket, all right? So I'm going to use my Barely Art glue because it has the nice little thin tip, okay? And I'm just going to line the very outer edge, well, as best as I can do with my crazy hands. no control. All right. And I did not add ink here, so let's do that before I glue this down. All right. So this is going to glue right onto here, like so. Okay. Do you see where we're going yet? All right. Now I want to grab something real quick. I want to make sure that I did not glue anything that I did not want to glue. All right, that should be fine. All right. Okay, so now we have a little pocket here, right? And this piece of paper should slide in there. Might have to trim it a bit. That's okay. I can do that after the fact, actually. All right, I'm actually going to glue. Let me just make sure. Yep, that should be fine. All right, so I'm gonna glue. I'm gonna draw a line. I'm gonna draw a line because I wanna make sure that, all right, so now I need to add glue here. And I'm gonna glue the front and the back to this piece of tea-dyed cardstock. And it will be our little secret journaling spot. Now, I know that I've over glued, but that's fine because we'll cut all that off here in a minute. I think this is just such a clever idea. So cute. All right, now I'm gonna cut it before I glue the backside onto it. So let me grab some not so great scissors because I don't want to get that glue all over my good scissors. There we go. And we can just ink that again in case it didn't cut so great. All right, there we go. And then we can easily line this up here. So I'm only doing one instead of three because I don't need three of the same for this project that I'm currently working on. So I'll go ahead, even though we're already at like 15 minutes, I will go ahead and do some decorating, and then this will be all ready for my journal that I'm making. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry for just a minute while, just so I don't end up gluing everything together when I tried so hard not to. All right, so I cut out the word nature here, and I have some cheesecloth as well. So let's go ahead and ink up that word. All right. And I think we will just add that here. I don't want it to get in the way. I've got glue on my hands, so the cheesecloth is just sticking to me. All right, let's see here. Okay. There we go. And hold that down for a second. All right, and I'm not going to ink this, and I'm actually going to just very slightly with the small side, I'm going to round the corners because I think it'll just make it a little easier to slide that in. So here's how this works. This is just so cute. I mean, how cute is that, right? Come on. Is it too long? Might need to trim it. No, I think it's okay. No, I think it's fine. Look at that. Isn't that cute? So you end up with this paper clip, right? And then you've got this little secret journaling spot. I love it. I think it's adorable. All right. And, you know, why not? Let's add some bling. Let's add some bling here. I think yeah, super cute idea. I know Dee Dee says in her video where she got the idea from, or who she got the idea from. Sorry. So yeah, I'm not sure who was the original genius behind this, but yeah, super cute. I will definitely be doing this again in the future. I love how this looks. And how I love the idea of secret places to write that are also, you know, decorative and cute. All right, that's it, guys. Let's let that dry for a sec. All right, so I'm wondering, no, I think it's fine. I think it's just because it's not dry yet. I might need to trim. No, I think it's okay. I keep talking myself out of it. I can always go back and do it later, but there we go. Our little secret journaling spot paper clip. Super cute. And that is episode 2 of week 9. All right, guys, go check out Dee Dee's videos as well. And I will be back soon. If you haven't already, go check out my Facebook group because I have an event going on in there. And there is a, you know, sort of a like time limit as to how long you have to sign up for the event. But you've got quite a while to actually do the event itself. I don't want to tell you too much yet. I want you to go check it out. All right, guys, I hope you have a fabulous day. Please give this video a thumbs up if it was inspiring to you. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on any new content that I upload. All right, guys, I will talk to you in the next video. Take care. Bye.